Hello everybody. Good day, good evening, depending on when this video gets to you. So this is the video I promised I was going to do for every one of you to see how to go through the process from start to finish. I just opened the data sets from my email um, that was shared with me, and I'll be going over these questions or the steps that was given to you by your tutor and try to answer some of the questions. All right. I hope to complete this video in 30 minutes. So if I'm too fast, please, you can slow down the video. You have the option to slow down the speed of the video on YouTube, or you can always pause and come back to it. So the first thing I would like to do is to make a copy of this sheet because I can see that a lot of people have access to it, and I wouldn't want anybody to tamper with my own sheet. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll be working with the tutor's data. I think this is the original data that he shared with you guys. So I'll make a copy of this sheet. Let me extend my menus. I'll come to file and then I'll do click on make a copy. This copy will be called, I'll title it Austin underscore sales data set, and it's going to be saved in my drive once I click on make a copy. So right now no other person but me would have access to this copied file, and the next thing I'll be doing is to delete every other person's tab because I just want just the data tab to be on. So I've selected the first one. I'll scroll to the end, select, hold shift, select the last. So I've highlighted all the cells, all the sheets I want to delete. Right click and hit on delete. Oh, I don't think this will work. I would have to delete them one after the other. So let me just quickly do the deleting, or I think I should be able to delete them from here. Should I? Let me see. Or can I? This okay. Unfortunately, wait. There should be a better way to delete all the sheets, all the tabs instead of deleting them one by one. Let me quickly check on edit, delete. Yes. So this is it. So I can um delete cells and hold cells, and oh no, I don't want to delete the tutor sheet. Let me first come here, click on edit, and column A, shift and cells, and shift up, cells and shift left. Don't want to delete cells and shift left. No, I don't want to delete cells. I want to delete the sheet itself. So I don't think that delete option will work. Let me just go ahead and delete them one after the other. I just wanted to find a faster way of doing this. Um, this is really slow. Let me see. Let me try again. Let me just try. Let me just try and see if I can do this. No, it didn't work. It didn't work. So I just have to delete them one after the other. Delete. Okay. Um, right click. Delete. Okay. Right click on Chemere. Delete. Okay. Right click, delete. Okay, so I'll do this for all the other sheets, but just to keep this video short, I'll can I pause this? Unfortunately I can't pause. I have to stop it and start. So let me just go ahead and delete. I don't want to stop. I don't want to begin to edit the video. I don't want anything that make me edit the video. This should not waste my time, please. Okay, there are a lot of sheets, so let me just do them patiently. Delete this, right click, delete this, right click. I see some persons are creating multiple sheets, so this is not actually ideal. You should have left all your charts on your sheets, because this is what someone did, and this is the reason why I had to make a copy, because I don't want anyone to tamper with the one I'll be working on. Let's delete this also. Let's delete this also. So I have to delete everything one after the other. Mind you, I'm deleting this one from my copy. I'm not tampering with the original file that everyone have access to. So let's keep doing this. Let's just be patient with this. I believe there should be a faster way to delete the sheets. There must be a faster way, just that I've not had a reason to delete multiple tabs or sheets. If I should settle down, I should find a faster way to do it. But for now, let's just do this method, which is what, since this is what I can remember. Okay, we are almost there. Delete this, delete this, and delete the last one. All right, so the next thing I would like to do here is to rename this as Austin. I want to rename it as Austin, and I'll be working with this data. So the first task is to um, perform data inspection and removal of duplicates. So what I'm going to do again is I'll make a duplicate of this guy, duplicate, and I'll call it clean data, because this is where I'll be working from. So I need to total amount. I need to delete all of these other. Oh, there are a lot of about data sets. Okay. All right. I want to delete the entire column from the one I selected down here. Delete all of these. So total amounts. All right. Let me just turn on my grid lines here. I want to put on the grid line because I see it is off. Go to view and show grid lines. Great. So my grid lines are turned on, and I'd like to take out the what's it called now, the borders. All right. So let's just work with the sheet. Okay, good. So let's get back to the questions for all the steps for the cleaning. Perform data inspection and removal of duplicates. Let's do that. So to do this, I would always recommend that you do it very easily. Convert your data to a table, and to convert data to a table, the shortcut is to press Control Shift and the T key. Wait, what have I just done? Let me see. Um, uh, Control Shift T. Oh, okay. I think Control Shift T doesn't work. Let me find the correct key to convert to table. Where is that? Under it should be under format. Let me see. Hold on. Convert to table. Should it be under format? Yes, this is, oh, Control Alt T rather. Control Alt and T. It's not Control Shift T. Control Alt T will help you to convert to table. Do you see that? Once you press Control Alt T, you convert the the entire data set to a table, and it looks like this. All right. And if you don't want to use the shortcut key, you find the option under data, right? And then you click on convert, under format rather, then you click on convert to table, but it's already converted to table. That's the reason why this option is no longer active. So converting it to table will help you to do your inspection quickly. To inspect is to just filter each column. The product ID column, I'll filter this to see if there are any missing values or not. Let's add filter column, and when I check that box, the next thing to do is to scroll through to inspect all the entries. This is 101, 102. Now mind you, whenever you filter, the data set will always show in ascending order from the least to the largest. So that's what it does automatically. So all the numbers here look good. No missing value. Click OK. Let's filter the sales date. Let's check for any missing values. When you scroll down, there are no missing values. If you have any missing values, you will see it as the first entry. You see a blank, or NaN, or NA rather. Then for the month, there are no missing values. Everything is looking good. For the week number, this is good from week 1 to 53, which is correct. Sales rep, there are no missing values here. Also, we have those sales rep. The region, this is good, no missing values on the region column. Sales amount, let's check if there are missing values. There are no missing values, and it doesn't look like there are outliers. Also, quantity sold, so if we have a negative value here, that would have been an outlier, except to check the data dictionary to know if negative value means that the goods were returned. But everything looks good here. For product category, there are okay, just about 4 categories. Everything looks good. For unit price or unit cost, this is also looking good. No missing value, no outliers or inconsistent data. Unit price looks good. Customer type, okay, we have new and returning customer. Discounts column also looks good. What else? Payment method, there are 3 payment methods and they all look good. The sales channel, online and retail, this is fine. Region and sales rep, everything looks good. Okay, let me look at this again. Yeah, everything looks good here. West Alice, North Alice. Okay. All right. So I guess it's most likely that your tutor had already cleaned this data set, and that is why I have nothing to clean here. All right. Let's check the next step that was given. The next cleaning instruction says confirm all columns are in their proper formats. If not, change them to their right format. Create a month and a week number columns. I think your tutor had done all of this. Duplicate your sheet and rename it as your sheet names. Sort, validate. Okay, so I believe that all of these have been done already. I don't want to go over this again. That is for the data cleaning and transformation. Let's just start answering the questions. And this is my goal, right? Or this is my interest to help to create charts and the dashboard. The first question says total sales amount, right? What is the total sales amount?